kids, it's Miss Delina, and you clicked on this video to quiz your knowledge on monkeys? Why does this keep happening? I really need to talk to my secretary. All right, raise your hand if you think that this is a nature documentary show. Put your hand down. It is a music education channel, and we're gonna quiz you on the bass clef today. No more monkeys. You came here for a fun music quiz, so let's go. I'm gonna show you a bass clef note that you have to guess what it is before the timer runs out. For this quiz, the note options are bass C, D, E, F, and G, also known as the left-hand 5-finger position for C, all in the bass clef. I think you can do it. Are you ready? Hey, I thought I said no more monkeying around. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
G. D. C. E. D. F. C. E. G. D. E. D.
Hey, musician, how did you do? Well, now you got to try the second level. Come on, let's go. And don't forget to subscribe for more challenges.